Here's how to replace the bumper on your RoboVac.
Flip your RoboVac over on a soft surface and turn off the power. Remove the side brushes by pulling them off. Use a small screwdriver to remove the 8 screws located on the bumper. Lift the bumper slightly and unplug the cable between the bumper and the machine before removing the bumper completely. You may need to wiggle it a bit to work it loose. With your new bumper in hand, connect the cable to the bumper. Attach the bumper with the 8 screws. Replace the side brushes. Test your bumper to make sure it springs back into place. Turn your RoboVac back on and take it for a test run to make sure the bumper works properly.